If you've ever tried to find an old post, a trending topic, or a specific account on X and felt like you were scrolling forever, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to search on X, formerly Twitter, using both basic search and advanced search so you can find exactly what you need faster. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to x.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account first so you can access the full search experience. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top center or top right area of the screen. That's where you'll find the search bar. Now click into the search bar and type whatever you want to find. This could be a keyword, a phrase, a hashtag, a username, or even a topic. For example, you could search for a product name, a news event, or a creator's handle. After typing your search term, press enter on your keyboard. X will bring up your search results, and this is where the filtering options become really useful. At the top of the results page, you'll see different tabs like Top, Latest, People, and Media. If you click Top, X will show the most relevant and popular posts related to your search. This is usually the best place to start if you want a quick overview of what people are saying. If you click Latest, you'll see posts in chronological order, which is great if you want the newest updates or live conversations. If you switch to People, X will show accounts that match your search term. This is helpful when you're looking for a creator, brand, influencer, or public figure. And if you click Media, you'll only see posts that include photos or videos, which is perfect if you want visual content instead of text-only results. You can also refine your search using the built-in filters on the results page. For example, you may see options like from anyone or people you follow. If you choose people you follow, X will narrow the results to posts from accounts you already follow, which can help cut through the noise. If you leave it on from anyone, you'll see results from the wider platform. Another useful filter is anywhere or near you. Anywhere gives you results from all locations, while near you can help surface local posts and conversations, depending on your settings and availability. That's especially useful if you're searching for local events, nearby updates, or location-based discussions. Now, if you want even more control, X also has an advanced search option. This is where you can get very specific with your results. To use it, click Advanced Search from the search area or search results options. Inside advanced searches, you'll see fields that let you narrow things down in a much more powerful way. Under words, you can search for exact phrases, require all words to appear, or exclude certain words altogether. This is great if you want to remove unwanted results and focus on one exact topic. Under Accounts, you can search for posts from a specific account, post to a specific account, or post mentioning a specific account. This is incredibly helpful if you're trying to track what someone said, who mentioned them, or how people are responding to a brand or creator. You'll also find date filters, which let you set a from and to range. That means you can search for posts from a specific time period, whether that's last week, last month, or even a particular day. If you're researching an event or trying to find an older tweet, this feature can save you a lot of time. Once you've filled in the fields you need, click Search in the top right to run the query. X will then show you results based on those exact filters, making it much easier to find the right post without endless scrolling. So to quickly recap, start with the main search bar for basic searches, use the Top, Latest, People, and Media tabs to filter results, and then switch to Advanced Search when you need precise control over words, accounts, or dates. If this video helped you learn how to search on X more effectively, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. And if you want, check out the next video for more X tips and social media guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.